Hi, my name is Florence, and I'm the accounting secretary here at French Business Advice. My job entails a variety of daily tasks for pure secretary assignment to accounting ones. Depending on the days, I am also making sure everything is in order to assure a good place to work for my colleagues. To be a good accounting secretary, it's important to be meticulous, discreet, and really well structured. What I like the most about my job is the diversity of tasks. No days are alike, and this makes my days every more exciting. I wouldn't be able to pick up just one. My duties change from one day to another, and that is exactly what I like the most about my job. It's a constant learning curve with customers from different horizons. Amazing, right? Very well, actually. I was lucky enough to join a team always available, making sure I was never alone in the process and always happy to jump whenever it was needed. Even today, I can still count on every one of the team. In 3 words, FBA is dynamic, efficient, and open-minded. Oh, relaxing day without hesitation. I mean, who doesn't like coffee?